I don't care what you think of me. I was not born to impress you. I don't care what other people say about me. I know who I am and I don't have to prove anything to anyone. Don't worry about what people say behind your back. They are the people who are finding faults in your life instead of fixing the faults in their own life. Be a good person but don't waste time to prove it. Making mistakes is better than faking perfection. Life is full of fake people. Trust no one, ever. Sometimes the best thing to do is say nothing at all and let God fight your battle for you. Amen. Learn to say no without explaining yourself. 7 rules to be happy in life. 1. Never hate. 2. Don't worry. 3. Live simple. 4. Expect a little. 5. Give a lot. 6. Always smile. 7. And keep in touch with God. Amen. Don't talk, just act. Don't say, just show. Don't promise, just prove. I think I need glasses because I keep seeing a lot of people with 2 faces. Those who spend their time looking for the faults in others, usually have no time to correct their own. If someone is stupid enough to walk away from you, be smart enough to let them go.